and you could play anywhere. So this is out the first bedroom. First, this bedroom has 3 beds. 1, 2, 3. I wish I had 3 beds. So when there's 2 people, when there's 2 children coming, I could sleep on this bed. They could sleep on the bunk bed.
Nak, sa pareho sa'yo, oh. Kayla,
And
pwede
I'm
pala ito.
also going shopping. I'm also going shopping. Let's go to the next room. It's this one. So you
Ay, Nak, bili tayo ng maraming brush for the color.
yeah. So it has really cool spaces. This one is a kind of a couch, but it's not really a couch. You can just put pillows so it can turn into a couch, but it has a storage under here.
And then you can sit
Sit on top.
on top. Look, we have the same mirror.
And also, and this is the next room. It's quite pink. Kira and Kate, this is the next room, kind of a pink. And after this, it's going to be amazing. So this is a small chair for Kate and Kira, like this. And also, there's a
Ballerina.
and there's some toys right here.
Ah, meron ganito si Nak, si Prince. Naalala mo si Baby Prince?
Yeah.
Ayan yung si mo, oh.
And Fluffy.
Fluffy.
And you could play with this. You could pretend this is a bed. Also, we have a table and we have this bed. And if you want to go on soft place which are clean and you want to lie down, just take off your shoes. It's okay to take off your shoes. And the next room, we're almost done. The next room, right here, there's another one again. And there's some toys right here. Even you could open the whale's mouth. There's a zipper, and you could open it and put stuff inside here. Num, num, num. And after that, there's some drawers, toy bed, and the last room, which is very cool. Come here, everybody. This is party time. So first, get inside, guys. Get inside. So first, there are 3 beds, and this is like a party room. And I feel like I want to have this room. And there is a thing, and there is this thing. So you could, so nobody will disturb you in here, like this. Hello, and there's a window. Oh do do do. Oh do do do. Oh do do. And there's a party room which you could put a lot of toys, and it's so fun in here. Like open here, maybe there could be snacks or a TV in here, and you could have fun. There's toys. There's some toys. Teddy bear, alien. And there's a table. There's an art and craft table. There's an art and craft table. There's an art and craft table, and there's another seat here. And there's some displays.
Ah, yan yung binili mo, baby. Yung nagustuhan din ni Kate.
Bend our fingers. Bend our fingers.
And
Bend our
then,
fingers.
no more.
And that's it. And
No
all of
more
the,
tables and no more beds.
There's no more bedrooms, but this is the very extremely fun place. You could play with this. Hey, come inside. And there's also that box, but you cannot get up there. Go to I'm going to the other side, guys.
Oh, your hands, anak. Madumi yung floor.
And we're here.
Don't touch your mouth, ha? And eyes.
And there's some toys you could buy. It's kind of expensive. Well, the part that I really like is the food, and it's really tasty. And come in here. There's some bowls that you could play with, like this. There's some bowls. Bye bye.
Oh, ibalik mo kung saan mo kinuha yan.
And I also have this.
Asan yung ganyang toys mo?
Oh, it's a Spain, maybe in Philippines. And this yeah. And I don't know what that is. But come here, guys. There is a. And come here.
I'm here.
And there is this thing that is a kit. That is a kit, and it's fake. Well, I really love it. I tried to buy it, but it was too expensive.
Ganon. Hindi pwede. Ito na, oh.
Oh, and somebody opened this so I could show what's inside.
It's a doctor's kit ata.
And yeah, I
Yeah.
could shot. I could use this. I could.
Nako.
There's a,
Hal-
I'm gonna put this down. On here. There's a temperature. Guys.
Baby, gusto mo ng colored
Yes.
pen?
Yes. Mom, come. And there is some. Guys, come. And there is some more. A Band-Aid. And this thing. And also there's a pocket thing and a temperature and this. And also there's some cream. There's some cream.
Is that a cream?
Yeah.
Cream for what?
For like when.
Oh, let's go na.
Then I'm not finished showing. And there's some Play-Doh. And there is some things that you could make. You could buy this with this to make something. And you just need an iron. Then after that you place the iron on it and the thing will melt. And after that, today you made your creation.
Let's go na.
No, not
No,
yet.
it's too late na.
And there's a kid's thing.
Babalik tayo sa weekend. Come on.
And there's a kid's thing. And one more. Guys, one more. There's some squishy. And there's a snake that is my favorite to scare mommy. And there is a finger I just buy this pack, but
asan na ngayon?
And not the aquarium one. But it's not a finger pack. It's just you scared me.
Ana? Let's go na, nak.
After you come here, I didn't know there was snake over here.
Let's go.
And the last one is here. Hey, the last
Last one na yan, na.
And that's it.
Bye.
And that's it. And that's all. Bye, Kate and Kira. Mwah. See you in the weekends.